three different alkene molecules are given in this question, we need to arrange these molecules in decreasing order of their enthalpy of hydrogenation. The enthalpy of hydrogenation of alkene can be defined as it is the heat energy released when an alkene reacts with hydrogen molecule to produce an alkane. And this reaction is an example for an exothermic reaction. The overall reaction can be represented generally as per given equation. Here we could see that the alkene is reacting with hydrogen molecule, then they are converting into an alkane by the liberation of a particular amount of heat energy, which is denoted by delta H. This delta H is known as enthalpy of hydrogenation of alkene. And we have a relationship between the stability of an alkene and enthalpy of hydrogenation. When enthalpy of hydrogenation is increasing, the stability of the alkene will decreases. Now let's come to the molecules given here. Among these three, we could see that the first one is highly stable because this is an aromatic compound. Due to the resonance process, this will be highly stable. It means the enthalpy of hydrogenation for this molecule will be comparatively less. The next stable molecule is the second one. It means the enthalpy of hydrogenation for this second molecule will be greater than that of the first one. And the least stable alkene is the third molecule, which will possess high enthalpy of hydrogenation. So from these options, the correct answer is option A.